The boys are at Tricochet Integrated Health, no longer Tricochet Family Chiropractic, and we are in search of a time lapse. We got JD here, the boys are crushing B-roll, and Tricochet's been taking care of me and my spine for years. So, this is the Osmo Pocket filming me, and we're gonna plant it to get the most beautiful time lapse you've ever seen. Do you think we could do some stuff, like just some simple, maybe we'll like have the lights off in here and clean it and have you come in and just do some standard, you know, prep?
Got it.
Face up. Joked over Rafa the other day.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in Durga, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a best.
Well, look at this guy.
Yeah.
That's a nice hat, man.
Thank you.
That is a good hat.
Thank you.
That is a good hat. Today we're just shredding. We're literally gonna just do some work for 321 Boat Club. The boys hook us up with our boating needs. So you said it's nuking, right? It's nuking. The Grom said it's nuking, so that's all I need to hear.
Am I the only one I know? Waging my wars behind my face and above my throat. Shadows will scream that I'm alone. But I know we've made it this far. You're the judge, oh no, set me free. Yeah, yeah, you're the judge, oh no, set me free. Yeah, take me, the sweetness on my time, to the good old days.
We have Dalton going up to skim. He's got the kendama, and y'all are gonna see some fire clips.
Fire. Oh, that's good. Oh!
What's up, vlog? So I'm out here at the beach with Dalton. Right now we're filming a video for sea turtle nesting season.
My name is Dalton Smith, and today I'm here to talk to you about a few tips that you can keep in mind to keep our beaches safe during sea turtle nesting season. Do not disturb sea turtles. Never approach or touch a nesting sea turtle. Keep lights off, stay back, and be quiet. If she is disturbed, she may return to the ocean without laying eggs or may leave before covering her nest completely.